So I'm going to show you how to do a 3-2 stitch. I've chained up 3 and I'm going to be starting in the second stitch. We're going to be working with double crochets and chains. Double crochet in the second stitch, chain 1, and do another double crochet in the same stitch. And we're going to skip 2 and do 3 double crochets in the third. Skip 2, double crochet in the third, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 and 3 double crochets in the third stitch, and that is a 3-2 stitch. So for a 3-2 stitch, the second row, you're going to be working in the middle of the stitches previous. So this is 3 double crochets into one stitch. We're going to do 3 double crochets in the middle stitch. And this one here is the double crochet, chain, double crochet. We're going to be working in the chain.